Hey guys, welcome to Amenny Property TV channel. What I'm going to share today is I will be going to the sales gallery to present a project called Compass. So it's at Shah Alam and UOA Business Park. So basically this project is actually industrial cum logistic hub, and the project actually is by the developer Core BNB. So for those agents that if you like to start a project marketing and you want to know that actually what to prepare during the presentations and before you go to the sales gallery to meet your client, so I would like to share a few important tips to all of the agents. So no matter whether you are already in a project marketing or you are just going to come into this project marketing and you're planning to come into the project marketing, so I think these few important keys that I'm going to share will definitely benefit you and able to allow you to do a good presentation to impress a client to make a instant booking after your presentation. So the tips number one is that we need to prepare the brochure or the flyers. So when we are actually meeting up with our client, so then the first thing first is that actually we hand over the brochure to them. So the second tips that is important is to prepare a sales kit, a complete sales kit like this. Alright, so this sales kit is actually not belong to me and it's not made by me. So I would like to thanks to a friend of mine, Project IC, Suresh, that actually the last trip when I'm bringing my client without any preparations, so then he lent and he give this whole set of the sales kit to me. So basically these two important tip is what I would like to share with you today. So for every new real estate agents, that before you are going to the sales gallery or to meet up your this prospect, so the most important thing is that you will need all the information to be complete, so that whenever that the customer asks you, then you can quickly show them the information. So what I would like to share about these two tips is that on the detailing of how do you structure the whole sales kit. So then basically this is a sales kit that actually already with me, and today I'm going to do one thing is that I'm preparing the stickers. So then you must be curious why actually I'm preparing the sticker, and there will be a different colors of stickers here. So then my practice is that I have been involved in project marketing, international and local, for the past almost 15 years. So how do I be outstanding and can close deal faster than others is because I actually prepare my sales kit in advance. So how I do it is that by labeling all the different page that I'm going to present to the customer, assuming that actually the first thing that actually I'm doing is like I will actually put the location sequence, then after that the price list, so that actually I can refer it easily when I flip over, and after that then I will mark every single plan. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is like, okay, when I'm actually want to present a layout of type A, alright, so then I'm writing the layout of type A, then I'm going to show it to you. So then immediately you can actually show the from your sales kit, whenever the customer want any of the sizes, then you are able to find it in a very short time. So this is something that actually will be allow you as a real estate agent, you will be more effective, more efficient, and also will give a good impression to the customer. And Next, you'll be seeing that I'm actually doing this different color sticker. The green color one is actually for those big unit, 50,000. Then if actually I want to show all the 50,000 square feet, so then I will actually refer to 50 and 60,000. I'll refer to the green sticker. So then whatever that actually I label with the green sticker, so this is easy for me to differentiate and to speed up my presentation. Then you can see all the green sticker is a big unit, 50 and 60,000 square feet on the layout plan. Then after that, then you also will see the orange color sticker that I'm actually labeling. So this one is actually for 20 over 1,000 square feet. So in case the customer actually want the 20 over 1,000, then this is the one that actually I'm going to flip. And beside that, then you can see the highlighter on the orange color. So this one is a 30 over 1,000 square feet, and you will see the highlighter of the yellow color, so 13,000. And I'm having a 40 over 1,000 layout as well, so it's actually highlighted with the blue color. So this is the simple method that actually I'm labeling my sales kit. So basically, this is the preparation that every project agents, that before you go to the sales gallery, and when you start to market your property, then you need to have a full set of the sales kit and with all the labels before you actually go to the sales gallery to see your prospect. Alright, that's all my sharing today. Thank you so much for watching this video. For those that actually, if you like this video, don't forget to share. And if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to do so. And that will be able to motivate me to do more quality video in the future. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.